sun. A soft perfume of flowers floats on the shore, and the water plays like a mirror, barely touched by the wind. Three sailors glide along in their colorful silence, drawing gentle curves on a blooming blanket, like brushes painting the slumbering landscape. The golden hour embraces each petal in oblivion. The honey-colored light falls upon the infinite reflection, and everything moves so slowly the day ends. Oh, Saint Vincent, your calm calls to me. Your setting sun, your shining sky. Sailors advance, guided by the breeze, and the day surrenders to your poetry. A chorus of birds crosses the slow golden sky, like notes that awaken the endless night, and leave the still water barely touching its movement. The flowers bow gently, greeting each way, and the sun sets on the horizon every evening, painting the entire coast it touches with gold and copper. Oh, Saint Vincent, your calm calls to me. Your setting sun, your shining sky. Sailors advance, guided by the breeze, and the day surrenders to your poetry. The lagoon of light fades, the gold remains alive, above the flowers that float across the water, as if time would never stop. When the sun finally sets and night approaches, the lagoon holds stories in every shadow it animates, and the sailors return and rest as another day ends. Oh, Saint Vincent, your